Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with the demo. You can see there are three tabs, child 1, child 2 and child 3, and this is the parent sheet. So if I'll select only the first all the items under the child 1, so you will see sheet child 1 is showing all the elements. Sheet child 2 is empty and child 3 is also empty. But if what I'll do, if I'll use an alternate item selected and alternate left. So here you will see it dynamically change C1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Similarly, if I'll select like this, you will see it's changed again C1, 2, 4, 6 and 8. And if I'll select the same pattern on child 1, child 2 and child 3, you will see on child 2 it's ABC1, ABC2, 4, 6 and 8. Similarly here, and if I'll make any changes in here, those will be reflected. So now I'll remove all the elements from child 1 and child 2, and let's see if we have all this only selected the child 3. So child 1 is empty, child 2 is empty and child 3 has the selected items only. So yes, in this way you can select multiple, uh, like the same row you can select multiple time, like ABC3 on all of the three childs. So here you will see child 1 has ABC3, child 2 had ABC3 and child 3 has all, because we have selected all the listing in it. So yeah, this is a dynamic way, and I can provide it to you. Please let me know if this is exactly what you are looking for, and if you want to make that once the item is here, you want to keep it here, and you want to delete it from here. Sorry, from the main sheet, we can also do that. And if you want to make sure that if item is selected under child 1, it should not be selected under child 2, we can give a control in here as well, so that it will show you manually that it will change some color or something. Uh, so yeah, it will alert you that it can't go in the second or third. Or we can have multiple conditions and multiple options to that. Please let me know what exactly you are looking for, so that we can accordingly make that. Thank you.